Hello, mighty pirates! So, we're going to test another game using the audio interface first, and then we're going to switch to the standard audio game of this wonderful machine here. The game here today is Capp. Capp seems to be a nice game, and so we're going to load it. Alright. Let's see what happens. Okay, we're almost done. Less than 1 minute to go. Alright, so it's time to select Kempston and start the game. Alright, so wonderful sound, I hope you can hear it. First fire to start. Well, actually the music comes from both channels, so channel left and channel right. So today I can say this machine, this wonderful interface is working correctly. And I can tell that there is a different sound coming from the right and the left. So I read somewhere that this interface has got 3 channels mixed to stereo sound. So I think one is in common or something like that. Okay, let's play and see what happens. Okay, the walking thing is on the left. Yeah. Okay. All right. All right. All right. Let's see. Okay. Speak. Nobody can hear you, okay? Perfect, so let's play this game using a normal Capp interface and see what the sounds is like. So here we go, we loaded the game. Now I'm going to press right and start the game. Oh. Okay, no music at all. So let's start the game. No sound at all. Well, I think I pick it up the typical game, and that without an audio interface doesn't produce anything, which is actually pretty nice. I mean, I love to see the differences between the original version like this one and the one with the version, but audio. Oh. Okay, let's try to go. Well, okay, so that's all. I believe this was a nice thing to do today, and the next thing I'm gonna do is to find a test for the audio interface, and I think I'm going to shoot this video right now. Okay, see you guys, bye.